Klaudia, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an iPad day. We got the new iPad Air, which I've got with me right now, and also the iPad Pro. Speaking of the iPad Pro, have you seen the Apple event, the intro for the iPad Pro? I sort of had mixed feelings about it. At the end of the day, the iPad Pro looks really cool, but squishing all that nice equipment and stuff, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. But moving on to the iPad Air, because that's what I have here in the 13-inch model. And this is the first time iPad Air has had a 13-inch display. Usually it's got 11 inches. This seems like a big deal, so I just decided to go for the iPad Air 13-inch in the color purple. There are also other nice colors like blue, starlight, and space gray. The base storage is also pretty good because we do get 128 gigabytes, and other options are 256 gigabytes, 512, and 1 terabyte. So lots of storage options. And a bit about my iPad history. So I've had iPad Pro model from 2021 with the M1 chip. So iPad Air now has the M2 chip, which would be quite good to compare the two together. I've also unboxed other iPads such as the iPad mini, the iPad in the 10th gen. Let's just get into the unboxing. So this already is like a bigger box to show you the unboxing. I'll just get right in there. Okay, there we have it. There we have it. Whew. Okay, let me grab this safely. So, the iPad Air from this year, 2024. Now, let's look at the box quickly. So, in the box, we do have the information pack, lovely packaging. What I am looking for though is the Apple sticker, which I don't think we have. Right, moving on. In the box we do have the braided USB-C cable, and unfortunately no charging brick, and usually iPads do come with charging bricks, and it is a shame because I lost mine the other day, so I've only got one now to charge my iPhone. But we do get the USB-C braided cable, which is I think a meter. Right, onto this baby right here, this big baby. Let's see this purple. Ooh. Wow. Oh, and it's automatically turned on for me. Or maybe I pressed the button somewhere. I don't know, but wow. Okay, it's like a subtle purple, which is nice. It is nice. It looks slightly silvery, silverish. It does look better like in a darker area. However, the weight doesn't feel that bad. Of course, it's slightly heavier than the 11-inch model, but it's not like it's thicker. It seems very, very thin. But I think the screen is big, so you'd have to be careful. You'd have to be really careful with that. Look after it a little bit more, okay? I would sort of be scared that it's gonna snap in half or something. You also get nice curved edges. The The buttons are still the same size at the top, so you do have the volume on my right side. You do have, that's the Touch ID is also on the right side, and you don't get Face ID, so it's just Touch ID for the iPad Air. There's the magnet for your Apple Pencil. Then we have speakers, which are at the top, but also you have them at the bottom as well on both sides. And this is going to be for the stereo, I think it's called stereo speaker system, like basically for the spatial audio, which would be really good, and I'm excited to try it out.
Everything about this world. No bring for your king. Never.
Then the screen, we do have the liquid retina display. The brightness is, it's pretty bright, so we do have 600 nits brightness, which is slightly brighter than the 11-inch. So we do have a bit of a benefit that it's brighter by 100 nits. And also, if you have noticed, the front camera is now at the landscape mode, like on the landscape side of things. So it's not portrait anymore. And of course we have the camera. It's gonna be hard for me to get used to the one camera now. It's also 12 megapixel camera. From the back camera and from the front, both are 12 megapixels with 5x digital zoom and 4K video recording, which does have center stage when you're video calling. But the screen is so much bigger, like, oh my god, like I'm going to enjoy watching movies on this because the screen is just so much bigger compared to me. This is going to be a good viewing experience, which is why I'm just thinking about watching movies, but this will have other uses too, I'm sure. We have the iPad Air Smart Folio in light violet, and we do have the Apple Pencil Pro. I love how it's all the same color theme. So let's just unbox the Apple Pencil Pro first. You can use the Apple Pencil Pro and you can use the Apple Pencil with the USB-C. So you can't use it with Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. Let's just do it. Quick unboxing because, you know, the excitement is over there. Information on how to use the iPad Pencil, the Apple Pencil. Anyway. Yeah, it looks really the same. That's the top bit right here. So I guess it's mostly the features that will be different for this. And now moving on to the Smart Folio. Ooh, I like this color. It's like a pastel purple, so very nice for the purple theme. Nice soft mesh inside on the, yeah, there we go. There we go. Got there. I do like this Smart Folio because it just feels like a nice quality. I mean, it was £100, so it better be nice quality. Very clean, very smooth. Moving on, the battery is still pretty decent because you do have up to 10 hours of, say, watching the video on Wi-Fi or searching the web. So you can get a lot done in 10 hours. Here is the size comparison. We do have the iPad Pro and the iPad 10th gen. You can also see the color comparisons and how different the size is. I am excited to try out this bigger screen, see if I can manage it. It makes me feel like a student again with my A4 type of notepad. It's definitely not something that you can just take when you're packing light, and probably there is a possibility I might start taking this more with me than taking my MacBook with me. So this is why I'm excited to test out on holiday and see if I can actually do a lot of things with the iPad Air instead of taking my MacBook. So that is sort of packing it light, but not as much as if I had the 11 inches. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you did get the iPad Pro, which is now in the M3 chip, right? I think. Yeah, let me know if you got the iPad Pro. It also looked really good and I might have to go see it as well. But yeah, let me know if you did get a chance to get the new iPad Air or the iPad Pro. Hope you have enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!